Hey, what's up, guys? So, our topic for today is how we will know the detailed specification of your computer. So, let's do it. Okay, so here, sorry, that's not. Type in CPU Z. Should be here. Okay. So here I'll just download a classic version. If you want custom version here, you can check this. So you can see so many custom versions here. So I'll choose this one, the classic one. Download now. Just wait for it. Boom. Now, okay, so open this. Click yes. Accept. Next, and install. Uncheck this if you wanted to finish already. Okay. Click just yes and wait for it to load. There you go. Currently I'm using VirtualBox, so here we can see, I'm using Ryzen 5 3600. There. Main board is your motherboard. Memories, or the RAM. It's also here, RAM, and the graphics card, the video card you have. You can also benchmark this CPU. Bench, stress CPU, or if you wanted to test. So, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.